Hello, I'm Bob Crockett. I'm an engineering professor at Cal Poly and the president of Proof of Concept. I'd like to take a moment just to tell you a little bit about the company, what we do, and really what motivated me in starting this company. Proof of Concept is a limited liability company I started this summer, really with the goal of taking advantage of Cal Poly resources. Cal Poly has an amazing set of resources that are really quite underutilized. If you look around campus, we have electromagnetic anechoic chambers, we have wind tunnels, we have scanning electron microscopes, we have spectrophotometers, we've got all sorts of stuff. We also have all sorts of really talented students. And what Cal Poly students are known for being good at is good, solid engineering. So it's not initial innovation and it's not product development, but it's that gap in between initial innovation and product development, which is the motivation for the name of the company, Proof of Concept, developing that first type of prototype that demonstrates engineering principles. So what Proof of Concept does is contracts with clients. We're not in partnership with the university. We're a private company. So I can write contracts with clients that says we will give you this product on this day for this amount of money with this performance characteristics. And by the way, you get to keep all the intellectual property we generate during that project. I then turn around and have a binder full of contracts with Cal Poly that lets me rent those facilities I talked about. Wind tunnel, anechoic chamber. And I put together a team that's based just on meeting the needs of a particular project. So if a project needs an mechanical optical system, I might hire a mechanical engineering student, 2 electrical engineers, a computer scientist, and maybe a faculty member on an as-needed basis. By doing that, by assembling the team around the project, I can make sure that we have just the right skill sets to get the project done. They're hired as my employees, and when they're using Cal Poly equipment, they're using it on time that I, as Proof of Concept, have rented from the university. That way we can maintain very clean contracts. It's not done through the university, it's done through a private company, but the clients benefit from being able to take advantage of the vast set of resources that we have here on campus. So I'm really happy about the business model. It's basically a virtual engineering firm. I don't own a machine shop or a lot of space. I rent it on an as-needed basis from Cal Poly. But really what the value we add to the customers is, to our clients, is that we're system integrators. We can navigate the maze of Cal Poly and find the right resources to get your work done. So some of the example projects we're doing currently include a prototype for a startup company. It's just a one-person firm, but we're developing a very large green manufacturing system to demonstrate this gentleman's technology so he can seek additional funding. That's something he couldn't do if he had to replicate all the equipment that we're able to gain access to and rent through Proof of Concept. Another project involves doing some fundamental research for a large biomedical company. And again, they're using us not necessarily because they can't do it, but because we can do it at lower costs, and we can do it in kind of a skunkworks mode where it's off the radar from their competitors. So there's some real advantages that you can do if you assemble a team of very bright, very talented Cal Poly students with the mentorship and guidance of project managers such as myself, other faculty members on an as-needed basis, take it off campus, and do it as a private company, which lets us do our own contractual arrangements. And I'm pretty amazed at the work we can get done. I think you will be too. So give us a try. Give me a call at any point in time and we can talk a little bit more about how we work, what we do. I can give you some references. And if you have ever thought of a need to participate more with Cal Poly in terms of the equipment they have available, the expertise they have available, the facilities, the infrastructure, I think that you'll find this is a very efficient way to do that. It's an efficient mechanism to get your job done. So thanks for your time. Give me a call if you have any questions, and I look forward to speaking with you. Bye-bye.